Hey everyone, how's it going? Welcome to day 18 of the 21-day cleaning routine challenge. Day 18 is errands. If you'll look on your printable, and if you don't have one, it's available in the description box. Thursday is errands. Now, like I've been saying, you can always switch any of these daily focuses around to whatever day works best for you. I like doing my errands on Thursday, so that's how I have it on here. But feel free to switch it around. I really like this daily focus of getting errands done all on one day. I use my printable to keep a list of all the things that I need to get done on that day, whether that's go to the bank or the post office. I also like to get groceries on this day because I have to drive quite a ways to get groceries from Aldi, which is my favorite place to shop. Any other Aldi fans here? Anyway, I like to get it all done on one day so that I don't have to interrupt my other days by running and doing errands. Now, it doesn't always work this way. Like sometimes, obviously, I'll have a dentist appointment or my kids will or whatever, and that doesn't always fall on a Thursday. So you will have some exceptions. And you might not want to do all of your errands on the same day that you have an appointment. But if you do, there again, that's what's handy about being able to switch these things around for the different days that you need them to be on. So I really like doing this one to get it all done in one fell swoop and be done with errands for the week. Let me know in the comments if you think that this is one that you'll be using or if you already have a system in place for how you do your errands. We only have 3 days left of this challenge and I've really enjoyed doing it. I hope that you have found things that you can apply to your life that will help you keep a clean and straightened house. Let me know in the comments how the challenge has been going for you and what has been your favorite day so far. I think for me, my two favorite things that I like to make sure happens every single day is shine my sink and do my dishes. There's nothing better than waking up to a clean kitchen. It makes my day start out so much better. If you found this video to be helpful, please give it a thumbs up. If you're new here, please subscribe. I'd love to have you join me. If you've been around for a while, thank you so much for being here. I really appreciate it. I hope you all have a great day and I will see you back here for day 19. Bye.